Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I am going to review about the mechanical microscope. So the model number is MC75T. Okay, so a lot of my viewers, they requested to make one review video, or they want to see the image quality of this microscope. So due to their request, I am going to making this review video. So in this video I am going to tell everything about the mechanical microscope. So while I wanted to buy the microscope, I went to Delhi, and there is a place called Gaffa Market. It's one of the biggest marketplace for all the mobile phone repairing, accessories, equipments, everything you will get there. So I went to a big shop where I found there are a lot of other brands microscope also there. So the first thing I like about this microscope is when I place my eyes on the eyepiece here, very easily, means with little bit adjustment I can see the image here. Okay, so compared to other brand, when I place my eyes on the eyepiece, there is a lot of adjustment I need to do. Then I felt stress on my eyes. Okay, so but when I checked on the mechanical microscope, very comfortably I can able to see the things there. Okay, so that's the first reason I like about this microscope, because the lens is very wide angle. So on the other microscope I have no idea what the angle they use, but for mechanical microscope I particularly found this lens are very good quality, and due to the wide angle, you can easily see or view the thing under the microscope. Okay, so I felt very comfortable with this microscope. Then I say I want to buy this. So in the market the price is slightly higher than the other brand, but still I went for it. So since I purchased this, I never ever felt any stress on my eyes or any pain on my neck. Very comfortably I'm able to do repairing by using this microscope. So here a lot of adjustment they provided. So first thing here, you can do adjustment. Okay, when you twist this eyepiece will increase and reduce the height. So first thing here, then this place also you can adjust. Alright, then this is for the zoom adjustment. Okay, you can look at the screen there. The screen you can see, while I twist here, you can see the thing changing there, and this thing we call is adjust the rack. Okay, so this portion we call it rack. So on the rack we mount the this observation head. Okay, this is the bracket. So here you need to mount. So if you don't know how to install or how to assemble this microscope, you can check my another video where I have shown all the assembling part. Okay, so you can check out that video. So so here is three places you can adjust. First is the rack adjustment, and this is the zoom adjustment, and here for the eyepiece adjustment. Okay, so 4 places you can adjust, and so that you can get a nice clear picture of the IC. Okay, so on the screen also I have shown how the quality of the image, so you can see very clearly, you can see all the components on the PCB board. Okay, so this is the CPU. I have removed out the CPU. So this is an old PCB board. So I have removed the CPU from it, just to show you the quality of the microscope. So to view on the computer, you have to use the camera. Okay, so this is the I think 28 megapixel digital microscope camera. So by using this camera, you can connect to your laptop or computer or any LCD display, then you can clearly view the image. Okay, so here they provided the LED ring light, so where they means you can adjust the light, you can increase or decrease using here. The regulator is here. Okay, so as per your requirement you can adjust this thing. So I have written a review blog post about this microscope, so you can go to my website, then you can check that review post. So where I have explained about each component very clearly. So I have provided that link in my description. You can go to my description and you can check all the details. So in the video part I just want to show you how the image quality and everything. This is for that. So you can see all each component, you can see very clearly. Okay, so this is on the PCB board. Okay, I can show you the another part of the so this is for the upper part of the CPU. Okay, so here you can see very clear image of this CPU, right? So the quality of the image is very good, very high quality image it's producing. So definitely you can go for this microscope. It's just a one-time investment. So if you are want to become a chip level technician, then you must go for this microscope. I can guarantee that definitely you will be satisfied what you are paying for it. So I'm very happy about this microscope. So also you can move it around here like 360 degree. You can move it around this way, and the height from the base to the microscope height is quite enough to do any soldering or any kind of thing you can do under here very comfortably. Okay, so compared to other microscope, the clearance gap is very small, so it's very difficult to do soldering under the microscope. Okay, so here the gap is quite enough, it's more than 100 mm. So in this gap you very comfortably you can do whatever you want to do. Then the base also you can actually the original piece is come with the small base, the black small base. So you can change the base to this kind of silicon mat. So actually this mat inside in the inner layer got one metal thick plate. So it's very heavy. So it's very heavy and strong enough to hold this microscope. Okay, so you just dismantle here on the bottom part, then you can fix on it, then you can easily use here. So here got a lot of slots. Okay, the working slots you can it's easy to keep all the screws and all the components here. So also I want to show you another board. So this is the Oppo PCB board. So you can see the components are very small here. It's very tiny components. Okay, so under the microscope you can clearly see the thing here. Actually if I bring down, see now you can see the thing more clearly. Okay, so the LED light is very powerful. You can able to adjust the light also very comfortably. You can do the eMMC repairing or any kind of chip level work. You can able to do here. Okay, so also there is a smoke guard underneath of the lens. Okay, so whenever you do any kind of soldering work under the microscope, the smoke glass is protect the lens, so it won't spoil the lens. Okay, so So these are the pros about this microscope, and so out of 100 marks I can give it like 95 marks. Okay, so if you want to buy microscopes, then definitely you can go for it. Okay, so let me share you my computer screen where I will show you some image quality of this microscope. Then also I will show you my blog post article where I have explained every feature of each part, so you can take a look. Okay guys, here you can see the quality of the image. Okay, it's very clear. You can see all the balls and the line diagram. Okay, you can see very clearly, and each component you can see very clearly. Okay, also now I'm going to show you one of the flex cable connector. So this is the Oppo flex cable connector, and let me adjust the zoom lens. Okay, now you can see very clearly. Okay, so you can see each track you can trace out very clearly. Okay, so this is the quality of the microscope, and this is the Oppo PCB board. Okay, now you can see very clearly all the components. So this is how the quality of the microscope. Okay, let me quickly show you the blog article. Okay, so this link I will provide in the description below. You can click on that link, then you will come to this post. So here I have mentioned each component name and what are the features. Okay, so all the features and the specifications, everything I have mentioned. Okay, very clearly mention each component of the microscope. You can see here. Okay, about the microscope and about the camera and the specification of the camera, the video quality, the image quality, everything I have mentioned here. And these are few sample images. Okay, after you click here you can see in larger view. So this is the view while we watch through the eyepiece. So I just placed my camera there and I took this snap. So maybe it's slightly a blur on the side, but when you watch with your naked eyes, it looks very clear. Okay, so what kind of zoom lens we are using, everything I have explained. Okay, you want to purchase online, you can just click here, then you can purchase. Those who want to purchase in India, you can contact me. I will get you a good price. Okay, or you can click here, and of course this is my affiliate link, but don't be worried, it won't charge you any extra money, but you will get a good discount on my affiliate link. Okay, so I will just get a small commission which will be helpful for me to create this kind of informative videos for you. Okay, so I will really appreciate your help if you use my affiliate link and purchase online. Okay, so you can click here or here or on the bottom. Okay, on the bottom here you can click and purchase. Okay, so everything I have provided in this blog post. You definitely, if you want to purchase this microscope, you can come to this blog post, then you can check all the details here. Okay, thank you. So if you want to buy online, I have provided the link in the description below. Also in my blog articles also you can find the link. So using those links you can buy online. Okay, so if you are in India, you can contact me. I will give you some special discount. I have spoken with the shop owner from where I have bought this. So I have requested him to give some discount because I told them that a lot of my viewers are asking to purchase this microscope. So would you like to give us any discount? So he's agreed. So when you want to purchase, you can approach me. I will tell you how to get the extra discount. So in India it's cost around 15,000 to 18,000. So if you want to add the digital camera, it will cost another like 5,000 to 6,000 extra. It will be added. And if you are from other country, then you have to buy online, or you can find any local shop. Otherwise I have provided the link in my description below. So from that link you can buy. So in USD it start I think around 300 to 350, and if you add the camera and zoom lens, so it will be 100 to 200 extra you have to pay. But the quality wise everything is very nice. I highly recommend. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share with your friend. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any question, please write in the comment section. I will reply, or I will make one video on that. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.